How to use Snapchat footsteps. First things first, before you access your Snapchat application, you just gotta make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the application so that you will not encounter any problems in the future. So just head over to your Google Play Store, look for your Snapchat, and just update it if update button is available. So once updated, just head directly to your Snapchat application and make sure that you log into your account. Once you're here, just access your Snapchat maps, which is going to be located at the top left or the lower left portion of your screen. Now, for you to be able to use the snap steps, you just have to turn off the ghost mode. To turn it off, there is going to be a gear icon located at the top right portion of your screen. So tap on that. So as you can see, I have turned off my ghost mode, which means the snap steps has already been activated. And that's it. That's how easy you can use Snap Steps in Snapchat.